Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up inventory reorder points in QuickBooks. Reorder points help you to restock items before they run out. QuickBooks lets you to set these points so that you receive alerts when inventory reaches a low level. Let me show you how to get this done. So first step is to go to product and services. Now on QuickBooks dashboard, click the gear icon that's in the top right corner and select product and services. Next is to edit an inventory item. Find the item that you want to update, click edit under the action column. Next is to enter the reorder point. Now in the reorder point field, you're going to type the minimum quantity that you want before restocking. For example, if you set 10, QuickBooks will alert you when the quantity drops to 10 or below. Once you're done with that, next is to save changes. So go ahead and click save and close. Next is to view low stock alert. So go to product and services and QuickBooks will now mark low stock items with a warning icon. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.